guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm taking up purple look challenge. So purple is a color which is amongst almost every girl's favorite after pink obviously, and I'm no exception. It's one of my favorite colors. I'm gonna share the link with the ones which I have taken the challenge up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have liked my video, this look, and for future videos. And also do not forget to subscribe to their channel. Do look out for their purple look also. So let's get started. I'm wearing a white and purple outfit, and I have put on my jewelry, which is a stone studded silver ear cuff. So let's start. I'm gonna first do my eyebrows, for which I'm gonna take an eyebrow pencil which I got from Thailand. Next I'm gonna apply Maybelline's Baby Lips in the shade of Broadway Red. Just to give some moisture to my lips. Next I'm gonna line my lips with Miss Claire lip liner 15. It's a beautiful pinkish purple shade. So I'm gonna line my lips first and then fill it up. So my base for the lip is done. I'll move on to eyes. Before that, I have applied BB cream to my face. So I'm just gonna brush off with the setting powder, which is from Rakhi. I'm gonna create a soft glow, not a heavy one, so I've not applied any foundation. I'm gonna move on to my eyes. So first I'm gonna apply Maybelline Fit Me concealer as a base to my eyes, and to clean up the brow bone area for any unevenness. With a sponge I'm just gonna blend it. So this is a base for my eyeshadow. As the base, I am going to take the champagne color and blend it out, as this is a soft look I am creating. I selected this champagne color to be the base for my eyes. So I'm going to take a blue kohl and line my upper lid close to the lash line. I love how pigmented this color is. And in the lower eyelid, I'm gonna use a brown liner from Nail USA. I'm gonna mark 3/4 of my lower lash line with brown, to create a shadow. Next I'm going to use the eyeshadow palette from Blue Heaven, this one, which has purple, blue, orange and aqua blue. That's an aqua blue and a golden shade also. So I'm going to use the purple. edges. Take a matte color purple and move on to my blush on. Since this is purple with challenge, I'm gonna use the same eyeshadow which I used from Blue Heaven as my blush on. So for the lips, I will use Matte 10 by Maybelline New York, which is a sweet purple color. Whatever I have it on my finger, I'll use it in a couple of more cheeks. Just to blend with the powder blush on which I applied. It looks like natural pink. I'm gonna use a highlighter from Wet n Wild just to add some glow to my cheeks. Nose area. And a bit of bronzer. Just slightly. And a bit of bronzer. Just slightly. And if you want, you can use some embellishments like I have added. The dress which I'm wearing has been designed by my mom. Thanks, Mom. My jewelry courtesy also goes to my mom. Hope you are also watching the video, Mom. Love you. The product details will be given below along with the post. Looking forward for your comments. Please let me know how you like this look and your feedbacks. Hope you like the video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.